Pero pag 100k mo muna sa gym. Listening to music editing. Editing of what? Are you a vlogger? Sinin sa totoong buhay. Oh, you have the... What are you, influencer? Saan ko pala makita yung gift na nagkikis na lalaki? Nandyan. Nagkikis na lalaki. Yung may crown? Leche carrots. Mabilis lang ngayon eh. Maganda yung yung isa. Ay. Dito sa gift, kiss me. Nagkikis na lalaki ang photo. No, I just post stuff. Oh? What's your TikTok? Are you on... Yeah. Like I do this out. Ganon. Nagpapakit lang. Really dog big, I think. Let me see. Let's rate his editing skills. What's that mean, G-Dog Big? Wait. Oh, this one. Yeah, G, post mine too. This one. Post mine too. I'm gonna send you my edit. Jealous. Nainggit pa. Ayun, kita ko na. Kita mo na patingin. Ayun. Thank you. Wait lang. Thank you, Ross. It means... Oh, this one. Aparat. Where's my face here? Dog thing. It means like all business not to be fucked with. Serious no. Is that so? Yeah, I saw your account. Oh my life. Magkano na, Ross? 48? Diba? 37. Oh, 47. Wait lang, be.